If you're running a daily newsletter, you need to make sure that you're only talking about the news that were published on that given day. And I actually created a whole AI system that does that for you. And one of the ways that it does that for you is by pulling information from an RSS feed and actually scraping that website and checking for a published date.
Now from here on out, we're going to look at that HTML code and we're going to look for some specific tags. And here we're going to look for specifically a publish tag. So for the first one, there wasn't any. Second one, there wasn't any. Let me see if for any of these there were. There we go. So here we can see that this last one was published on the 2nd of July at 9:45 a.m. on a specific time zone. Now the key thing with this step is that it's looking for the meta tags that are related to the published date of that specific article. This is one of the ways that we can do to make sure that all the information coming in through our RSS feed is up to date. This step is really important if you're publishing newsletters daily, because this ensures that the news were actually published on that date by looking at that meta tag. Now, if you don't mind talking about pieces of news that were published on previous days, you can go ahead and delete this module by right-clicking on the module and clicking on delete. And actually, you'll need to delete these two modules over here. Now here we have a filter as well. That's just making sure that there is an output coming out of this. As you guys can see on the first all the way to the fourth one, they didn't have any published dates, and this is actually quite common. Well, in terms of numbers, no, because this is kind of like only 20% of the articles here in this example had the published date. From my experience, kind of half of them have a published date. So what you can expect is, if you are really keen on only talking about pieces of news that are related to that specific day that you're writing your newsletter for, you can expect to bring in 20 news from your RSS feed and only have 10 be added at the end of the day in your Airtable.
And then once you have your Airtable database set up, you just need to go over here and rate the best pieces of news that you like. And then every day in the morning, your other automation will run in the background, and it will create something that looks exactly like this, with the headlines, with the hyperlinks, and everything that you might need from a daily newsletter. So if you want to get access to this, or if you want more information on this, I have a full long form video just talking about this entire system that you can go watch on YouTube right now.